How to fix Telegram cannot join group. If you're having issues joining a group within Telegram, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to check is if you have reached the maximum 500 channel limit. So if you already joined maximum number of groups within Telegram, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So in this situation, what you need to do is leave a few groups in order to join a new one. So try to see if this is the issue with you. But however, if this is not the case, then the other thing that you can try out is try to disable the sensitive content filter. So what you need to do is open up a web browser, search for web.telegram.com using a web browser, and once you're inside of the web version, head over to the hamburger menu on the top left. Once you're inside of settings, head over to privacy and security, and right here you should be able to see the option called show 18+ content. Make sure you disable this option, and once you do, you should be able to join that particular group. So these are the two things that you can try out in order to fix the Telegram group cannot join. If this video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.